Hi, this is Robert Stewart with Hill13.com. Now, when it comes to maintenance, the very first step is usually the easiest step, and that is the barrel. Depending on the make and model, most barrels today are threaded, but some barrels may also be enclosed in some sort of shrouding. Other barrels require a little bit different teardown, such as the flat line, because they're not mounted in exactly the same fashion. But most of the time, turning counterclockwise is all it will take to bring the barrel off of the paintball gun. Now, inside you will see that this is a dirty gun. There's been some paint blown out the last time in this one that's mixed into the oil. On almost all paintball guns, you'll also see that they have an O-ring here. You want to check that O-ring and make sure that it's in good shape. If it looks cracked or dented or has some sort of dings in it, you're going to want to pull that and replace it. The other thing you're going to want to do, especially such as with this barrel where we know that there's been paint, a ball is broken in it, you want to make sure that you bring all that debris out. Now, at this point, if I were just going to run back on the field, this barrel's good to go, and that's all you'd need to do. But if I'm going to set it up and clean it, then I want to actually take this and with warm soapy water, preferably with the O-ring off, wash this and make sure that all of the ports along the barrel surface are clean and clear of paint debris. Once that is completely dry, we'll be putting the O-ring back on, and then it's ready to attach to the gun when you're finished with your maintenance.